To run PHP and to run databases in your computer usually is done with a server. Now, luckily for us, there is a solution out there, which is a software, actually many different types of softwares that will act like servers. So we download that software, we install it in our computer, and we can run PHP and we can run databases. And that software will act like it's a server. Now, it doesn't change anything on your computer. It just helps you run PHP and databases in it. So let me show you what software I'm talking about right now. So first of all, there are many different types of softwares, but we are going to be downloading only one. And this one is called XAMPP. Why we are downloading this? Because XAMPP is actually, well, they are saying they are the most popular PHP development environment. And I have to kind of agree. XAMPP is very popular. Now, when you come to this screen here, you're going to have a button here for Windows, for Linux, and for Mac OS, unless they change it later on in the future. Depending on your operating system, you're going to click on one of these buttons here. If I'm in a Mac right now, so I'm just going to click on the Mac button, and this will download a file for me automatically. So I'm going to wait for it. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. So this is going to start downloading to my favorite directory in my computer, probably downloads, the downloads folder. And when this finishes downloading, and this goes for Linux and Windows machines too, it will do the same. If it doesn't do that, if it doesn't download automatically, just click on the here. It will take you to another site and it will do it automatically again. All right. When this finishes downloading, just click on it and install the program like install any program in your machine. Just like any program, just install it, follow the directions, and everything is default. I repeat, every option that you choose on that program, just choose it as default. You're going to click OK or you're going to click Next, whatever you need to install the program. Once you install the program, it should open up something called the Control Manager. If it doesn't open it up, then I'll show you how to open it up right now. But once this finishes downloading, let me just cancel this one because I already have the program. So once this finishes downloading, you are going to have something like this. This is exactly the same thing that Windows is going to have unless they change it. If you're on Windows, you're going to have a control panel and you are going to have this in your programs and then in a folder called XAMPP. All right, so that's where you will find it. Now, if it doesn't open automatically, again, go to that folder XAMPP and then click on that control panel file that you have there and you should open this up. When you open this up, then just click start and start for Apache and MySQL and you're good to go. For Mac users, you're going to have something like this. Let me see if I can get it. I'm going to show all windows and right here. So you are going to have something like this. It's going to welcome you. And we're going to go to manage servers. And then here, the same thing as we did with Windows, you just turn it on. Click on this file on Apache, start, MySQL, start. Of course, mine, the start button here is grayed out, and that's because it's running. So once you start up MySQL database in Apache, let me just click no here and minimize this. You're going to go to your browser, and you're going to type local host. When you do this and you see this window here, then your installation is good. All right, then you successfully install XAMPP on your system. If it's not, then you uninstall the program again and try installing it again. If you still have a problem, contact me and I will help you out as much as I can. For Mac users, you will find this program, Control Panel, all right, on your Launchpad somewhere. So if you go to your Launchpad right here, you can click on Manager-OSS and it will open up for you. If it doesn't do that, go to Applications right here. My Finder, my Windows there, Applications. Go to your XAMPP folder, go to Manager OS and just click on it. And then it should open it up. All right, it doesn't open up for me because I already have it here. For some reason, once I minimize it, it doesn't want to come back up. But you saw what I did. I went here and I right clicked on it and show all windows and I was able to get it back there. Okay, right? So this is all we need to have that running. And again, go to your local host there on your browser, and that should be proof enough that we installed the software successfully. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care.